There are days when life feels like a puzzle with missing pieces. When the noise in your head is so loud, you can't hear yourself think. But sometimes the answer isn't in the instructions. Oh, I can't do this. When we reach the end of our patience, that's when the true teacher appears. Not with a shout, but with a touch. Behold the silent grace of Dakshinamurthy, the ultimate Guru who teaches the universe through absolute silence, reflecting the pure light of knowledge into the darkest moments, silencing the noise and reminding us simply to breathe. The puzzle might still be in pieces. Okay, let's try this again later. On Guru Purnima, we honor the teachers who bring us from darkness into light. Because sometimes the greatest teachers come in the smallest sizes.